Hey everybody, Travis with Blue Nail out here doing another roof replacement. I am walking around on this roof and it is popping, it's cracking, it's squishy, and that's because this homeowner has 3/8 inch decking. Now, a long time ago, a lot of these older homes, that was perfectly fine, that was totally up to code, but times have changed, and in most jurisdictions, the minimum for roof decking is 7/16 inches. So to give you an idea what I'm talking about here, you can see all over this roof where we have had to pull up sections where that weak decking just wasn't enough for the water that got under there, and it's rotted out and it's just not strong enough to support a new batch of shingles. So one way you can get this covered is if you have building ordinance coverage in your homeowner's insurance policy. In a lot of cases, after a storm, when you're doing a roof replacement, you can actually have insurance pay to have your house brought up to code. Not to say that'll happen in every situation, but it's definitely a good coverage to have. Talk to your insurance agent about what might be best for you. And hopefully, if you do need a roof replacement, you can check us out, bluenailroofing.com, and we can work with your insurance to bring you up to code for this or any other home improvement project that you may have. So check us out, bluenailroofing.com. Talk to you next time for another homeowner's tip.